Hello friends, this stabilizer has come for repair and the customer has by mistake used a 12 volt adapter instead of a 5 volt adapter. Please note that 12 volt adapters burn the internals of deep spar immediately. So when this came to us, we examined what the problem was. We analyzed the circuitry and find out that the 12 volt section or the 12 volt section does not exist, but a 5 volt section exists in deep spar USB stabilizer. We have repaired it and now we will show you how this gets detected normally on the PC. So first we will show you in device manager disk drives that there is no detection, and now since we have repaired it, we will see whether the detection has come in or no. I insert the USB wire and you can see that it has got detected. Now I will also show you that there is a light in front of it which glows up as red in color. So I will now remove the device and put it back again. You can see the red light has got on and the Spar USB stabilizer unit is getting detected. It also gets detected in disk management. So if you see it in disk management, it should show you a detection. Let us see whether the detection is there or not in disk manager. We will click on manage. We'll click on disk management and see now you will see disk 1 50 MB unallocated. Do not make any changes here. Let it be as it is. So our stabilizer has got detected. Now I will run the software. I ran the software and you can see found USB stabilizer, number of the stabilizer. Now I put it on. If the green light comes back and there is no error below, it means that our stabilizer is fully repaired now. For confirmation, what I can do is I can attach a USB cable to it. I can attach this USB cable to it on the USB port. So let me put this off first and I attach it on the USB port. Now I shall put it on. Yes, it has detected but not the capacity. Now the capacity has got detected. and it is showing idle. So I shall see my settings. I have to see all the settings are okay or not. Yes, all the settings are okay. Now I will go on sector map and I will start RStudio. You can see that on RStudio my passport has got detected. I will now go on stabilizer and see whether my stabilizer is on or not. Yes, my stabilizer is on. So my hard disk has got detected, and the stabilizer, USB stabilizer, is repaired. Now I shall try to do a partition search. Before that, I shall see whether my stabilizer is detected or not. Yes, it is detected. The log file shows disconnected, so I will put it off and put it on again. I will, on settings, I may be required to use USB 2. So okay, I have done that. Now it will detect on USB 2 and see whether it can detect or not. Yes, it has got detected. Status not responding, status idle. When the status is idle, it means my hardware is ready to work. So here I go, I click on my passport and I do a partition search. So we could recognize one partition here. Now when it is making such sounds, it is essential for us to go and see whether what is the status. Status is idle now. I will click on recovery. I will see that sector map is being detected, and all the data has come. So I wanted to show you that we have repaired this USB stabilizer. By mistake, somebody had put a 12-volt adapter instead of a 5-volt adapter and had burnt off the internals. We had to change 3-4 components inside, and we could do that easily. Components are available in the open market. They are expensive in India. So we had to also import those components, and they apply GST charges and shipping charges and make the component almost the double cost. The cost of repairing this stabilizer to the customer has gone up to 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. And thank you so much for seeing this video. I shall end this video now.